Hello everyone and welcome to Yoga with Adriene. I'm Adriene and this is Sweet Benji, and today we have a beautiful dropping into stillness practice for you. So whilst I know we're all trying to get the most out of our valuable time and make the most out of our valuable energy, what if it were so valuable for us to pause and learn how to drop into stillness in this fast-paced world? So this could be really great after an active workout or active yoga practice. This would also be a beautiful way to start the day. Or if you were feeling a little turbulence in your mind, say, this could be a good thing to do midday, but also it's going to be a surefire way to wind down for bedtime. So it's pretty great. Hop into something comfy, grab something to sit up on if you have it, and let's get started. All right, my sweet friends, go ahead and find a nice comfortable seat, or you may do this practice on your back. Maybe come to lay down. Find a comfortable position, and right away we're going to soften the gaze, or you can close your eyes if you feel comfortable. And really, it may not be easy, but the invite is to see how fast you can surrender to stillness. Thank you for joining me and Benji for this practice. Again, the invitation is to see how fast you can surrender to stillness. So whether you chose to lie down or to find a comfortable upright position, settle in and begin to just notice your breath. Dropping into stillness is a process that, with practice, like anything, it can be finessed. It can become more familiar, perhaps more readily available, a powerful tool in this day and age. Allow your hands to rest gently in a comfortable position of your choice. And if there's any area of your body that might be gripping or holding, perhaps in the limbs, or in the shoulders or the hips, or in the jaw, or even in the skin of the forehead, see if you can soften it a bit here. And just noticing, again, the natural ebb and flow of your breath. You don't have to force anything or do anything. Besides, bring your awareness to it. Again, seeing dropping into stillness as a process, an action. And it doesn't necessarily happen immediately, but it will happen if you continue to focus your awareness simply noticing, just observing your breath, observing how you feel. Maybe you're particularly fidgety today and you think maybe this wasn't the right practice to select. Well, trust that you're here for a reason. And you might begin to gently deepen your breath just naturally by bringing your focus and awareness to it. But if it doesn't happen kind of naturally and it doesn't feel good, you don't have to force it today. Just seeing every natural inhale There's an opportunity to check in. Maybe cultivating a sense of peace or calm, relaxation with every breath out. So essentially, with every breath in, you're just accepting your beautiful self, who you are and where you are today. And with every exhale, you're willing and open to inviting in a sense of calm, of peace, and of relaxation. Stay present with your breath here. And when you're ready, we'll scan the body starting with the toes and the soles of the feet. Just bringing your attention to that part of the body, softening anything that's gripping or holding, but otherwise you don't have to do anything or make anything of it. Just sending your awareness to the toes, to the soles of the feet and the heels. And scanning the tops of the feet and the ankles. And as you continue to gently breathe with awareness, send your attention to the lower part of your legs, the shins, the calves. And then up through the knees, in the front of the knee, the sides, the back of the knee. Through the upper parts of your legs. The thighs, the top of the thigh, the back of the thighs, the outer edges, and the inner thigh. And scan all the way up to the hips, the hip creases, the bowl of the pelvis, the outer hip, and the glutes. And just nice, easy inhalations here, observing. And nice, easy exhalations that welcome in a sense of peace. Now travel up through the waist, the lower back, the tailbone and sacrum. With love, wrap around the low belly, the front body, your center, your core, the side bodies. Travel up the spine and send attention, awareness to the back, the low back, mid back, around to your ribs and all the way up through your heart space, the chest, the upper back, Relax your shoulders as you draw awareness to your arms, fingers soft, hands heavy, the lower part of your arms, the elbows, the upper arm bones, shoulders again relax. And the collarbones, the trapezius muscles in your neck, the back of the head, the jawline, and travel all the way up through the skull, relaxing the skin of the face, the brow, and bringing your awareness all the way up to the crown of your head, the tippy tip top of your head. And then let the scan go and notice what it feels like to be still today. Notice all that you can experience while you are still. Relax your tongue and your mouth. We'll just take a few more breaths here. Stillness practice in a world where we are constantly rushing, looking to speed things up, fill in every space, every gap. Take one more moment here to embody exquisite stillness and just be. Now, one last time here together, we'll gently deepen the breath. And this time, let a big inhale and a long exhale activate some movement in your fingers. Maybe you bat the eyelashes, gently open, but keep your gaze down, soft. Then we'll bring the palms together and all the way up to your heart space, and you just might even press your thumbs against your chest here. Feel the warmth between your two palms, or the potential warmth between your two palms, or the potential warmth of your thumbs on your chest. You might even feel your heartbeat here. And I'd like to just give thanks, and I invite you to join me if you feel pulled to just have a moment of gratitude for slowing down, for welcoming in a sense of inner peace. And I do believe that when we take the time to be still, we are taking the time to know and understand ourselves better. So thank you for sharing this practice with me. To more stillness practices in our modern day world. If you don't have time for this full video, just know you can always plant your feet or just take a moment anytime, anywhere to pause, notice your breath, and find stillness. Thank you so much. Take good care. Namaste.